Hello everyone and welcome. It's Kathleen from cozcreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone here in Fort Myers, Florida. Not for long though. We've only got a couple more weeks until our new home in Wilmington, North Carolina is done, and this girl is excited. Can't wait to get there. I've been busy. Haven't posted that much because we've been busy packing up and just doing what you got to do when you're leaving one home and heading to another. So came in here to have my namaste time with my paints and my canvases, and I'm excited. I'm going to be doing today trying to use up some paints that only had, a little bit in a tube. Rather than pack them, I figure I'll use them. So I've got some yummy colors. I got some Kathleen colors here, and let me introduce you to them right here. One of my favorite paints from way back when, but it's been so long since I used it. Found it in a drawer. It's DecoArt Metallics in the rich Espresso. Yummy, yummy color. Right here is Creative Inspirations, and that's their Lamp Black. Also a great paint, cost effective. Jerry's Artorama, don't you know? And you can buy that on sale, and it's an extra special good deal. Isn't this lovely right here? That is Amsterdam Acrylics, and that is their copper. Let's take a close look at this. This is a really, really pretty shade of copper. Amsterdam makes some glorious, glorious paints. So I'm excited about that. I had about 3 jars that only had about a couple of tablespoons in them of this paint right here. That is DecoArt Metallics, and that is their Pearl. Check the description box. I've got a discount code for y'all for all the DecoArt products. And then this is a combination. It was almost gone. I scraped out the bottom of the barrel for the Rust-Oleum Metallics, and this is their Metallic Champagne. And then I had about a tablespoon of DecoArt Satin Enamel left in here, so I put that in there, stirred it all up really good. Our pouring medium today is I put my paint in the cup. I add a healthy squirt of Golden Gap 800 in it for good luck, and then I add my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium. Stir that up really good, and then water if needed. I wanted thick paints because we're going to be doing a ring pour. So let's take a look at our consistencies here. The only paint that I had to add some water to was the Creative Inspirations in the Lamp Black, as well as the DecoArt Metallics in the the Amsterdam in the copper. Both are heavy body paints. So let's take another look. It leaves a blob on a blob on a blob on a blob. I think I'm going to use the Creative Inspirations as my flow extender or base coat color. I might use this little scoopy thing I found in the back of a cupboard. I thought maybe I would do a ring pour in here and travel with it across the canvas. Now, you're going to see me add and be very gingerly with my flow extender. The flow extender, when you add it to your canvas, will adjust and move your other paints. So I'm very careful about where I place it. I also use it at times to adjust the shape of my composition. You might see me put it down near one of the traveling ring pours to help push that paint to narrow it down. All kinds of fun little tricks of the trade. So it's good to be back here, guys. I've missed y'all, and I'm going to put some music on for you, put some music on for me. We're going to get busy.
monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way,